I built a dropshipping store in 15 minutes using only AI. Alright, let's get real for a second. 72% of new e-commerce stores. They never make a single sale. Think about that. That's a brutal statistic, and honestly, I wasn't about to become another casualty. I wanted to prove that you don't need weeks, or even days, to get something truly functional up and running. So, I set myself a challenge. 1/4 of an hour. That's 15 minutes for those of us not living in a time warp. And absolutely zero coding skills. My mission: launch a fully loaded, ready-to-sell Shopify dropshipping store using only AI. No designers, no copywriters, no pulling all-nighters fueled by questionable coffee. Just me, a timer, and some seriously smart tech. Look, starting an online business takes weeks and thousands of dollars. You hear that line everywhere, don't you? It's practically gospel in the entrepreneurial world. And frankly, it's absolute nonsense. Today, right now, I'm going to prove it wrong. In real time, you'll see the timer on screen ticking down. 15 minutes. Ready? Let's go. Section 1, the setup first hurdle, and it's a big one for most people. Picking a product, the dreaded "what do I even sell?" question, but not for us. I took a trending phone grip link from AliExpress. You know, those little pop-out things everyone's got on their phone. And just pasted it straight into AutoDS. This isn't just a simple copy-paste though. The AI immediately got to work, scanning hundreds, maybe thousands, of reviews, digging into potential profit margins, cross-referencing shipping times, and analyzing supplier reliability. It crunched all that data in seconds, and then, boom, a green light flashed across the screen. High demand, low saturation, 3.8x markup, possible. Decision made, 8 seconds. Seriously, 8 seconds. That's faster than I usually decide what to have for breakfast. The relief of having that initial product validation handed to me on a silver platter. Priceless. Section 2. Branding in 90 seconds. Next up, the store's identity. What are we going to call this thing? Instead of brainstorming for hours, only to land on something forgettable, I typed phone accessories into the AI brand generator. The AI didn't just spit out a name, it returned Gripsphere. Catchy, right? Then, it immediately checked .com availability. Because what good is a name if you can't get the domain? And get this, it simultaneously drafted a minimalist, professional-looking logo featuring a stylized globe with a subtle grip element. One click, and both the name and the logo were instantly added to my Shopify store. No Photoshop headaches. No scrolling endlessly through Fiverr gigs. No sinking $20 into a logo contest that might deliver a clip art mess. Just instant, professional branding. It felt almost like cheating. Section 3, store skeleton with branding sorted. It was time for the actual store. I hit generate store in AutoDS, and that's where the real magic began. The AI didn't just build a shell. It populated a sleek modern theme, automatically organized product collections, wrote SEO-friendly tags for discoverability, and even created essential policy pages, like refunds and privacy. All the boring legal stuff you usually dread. While that was rendering in the background, I popped open the Shopify theme editor. The AI, ever the helpful assistant, didn't just suggest colors. It recommended specific shades of charcoal and neon lime, explaining these were the colors that historically convert best for mobile accessories. I accepted, of course. And just like that, the store already looked premium, polished, and ready to impress. It had a clean, inviting aesthetic that felt professional, not rushed. CTA 1, by the way, if you're watching this and thinking, I need that, I'm using AutoDS for this entire build. There's a link below that gets you a 30-day trial, and, even better, the exact same template I'm using. Grab it. Seriously, grab it if you're tired of manual labor and want to experience this kind of automation for yourself. Section 4. Product import and pricing. The core product, that phone grip, landed in my catalog almost instantly. But it wasn't just raw data. The AI had rewritten the description, transforming generic bullet points into compelling, persuasive copy designed to sell. It pulled in 5 high-definition images, showcasing the product from every angle, and even sourced a fantastic 45-second demo video. Now, for the money part. Pricing. AutoDS calculated the landed cost that's everything from the product itself to shipping fees, at a precise $4.20 USD. Then, the AI stepped in again, suggesting a retail price of $16.99, which felt perfectly aligned with market value. But it didn't stop there. It automatically created a buy two, save 15% bundle offer. The result? My average order value immediately jumped from a respectable $17 to a much more attractive $31. Smart, strategic, and completely hands-off. Section 5. Finishing touches. We were deep into the 15 minutes, but the AI still had tricks up its sleeve. I asked it to write 3 distinct TikTok ad scripts, complete with hooks and calls to action. Then, an FAQ section for the store, anticipating common customer questions. And finally, a full suite of email flows for abandoned carts. Those crucial follow-ups that bring back lost sales. All of this, done before the timer even hit 12 minutes. It's like having an entire marketing and customer service team working at light speed, and the cherry on top. I enabled the automatic order fulfillment toggle. This means every single sale, from now on, routes directly to the supplier for shipping, all while I'm enjoying my coffee, or, sleeping. The peace of mind that comes with that level of automation is incredible. Section 6. The reveal. The timer finally stopped at 14 minutes and 22 seconds. 14 minutes and 22 seconds. Let that sink in. What we had was a live, fully functional, mobile-optimized store. It had all the legal pages in place, clever upsells integrated, 5 distinct products ready to go, a domain purchased, checkout tested, and SSL active for security. It looked like a project that took weeks, painstakingly crafted by a team of experts, but it took less than 15 minutes. The only thing it really took was a coffee break. The sheer speed and polish of the result were genuinely astounding, even to me. Section 7. Real-world results. Now, the proof is in the pudding, right? A store is great, but does it work? I ran some modest $5 TikTok ads for 7 days, just a little experiment to see what would happen. And here's what my dashboard showed after that first week. 1,240 sessions to the store. 28 orders, a total of $476 in revenue. After factoring in product costs and those ad spends, I was left with $132 in profit. That's a 3.4x return on my initial investment in just 7 days. Is it retirement money? Not yet, obviously, but it's undeniable proof. This AI-built store, created in less than 15 minutes, paid for itself, and then some, almost instantly. It's a testament to how powerful these tools have become. Conclusion, and CTA too. So, there you have it. 15 minutes, zero code, and real, tangible profit. If I can literally squeeze cash from what felt like thin air using these AI tools, imagine what you could do with a full afternoon, or even just an hour of focused effort. Don't just watch this. Try AutoDS for free yourself. Copy my template, tweak it, make it your own, and then tag me when your timer hits 0. I genuinely want to see what you build. And hey, drop a comment below with your niche. I'll personally suggest the next winning product idea. Make sure you subscribe for more of these crazy but totally legal money experiments. Let's build something awesome.